How to update Skout app to the latest version in Android. Open the Google Play Store, tap the search bar and type Skout. If an update is available, you will see a button that says Update. Tap Update. Wait for the download and installation to finish. After you finish, open the app and start using the updated version. We have alternative way. Inside Play Store, tap the profile icon at top right corner, then choose Manage App and Device. Under Updates Available, look for Skout. Then tap Update. Why updating is important? This fixes bugs and crashes and improve performance, add new features, and enhance security. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.